Hey YouTube, it's your girl Miami, and on today's vlog I will be showing you guys how I make my everyday get ready with me smoothies. Okay, so if you guys are interested in watching how I made this smoothie, it's a quick mini vlog, so watch the whole video and thank you.
Yeah, run that shit up, go crazy. I'm a young nigga, double low baby. Don't need help maintaining.
Okay, y'all, now I'm about to make my smoothie, and you guys are about to see what I use and everything. And then, y'all, I forgot to add that I normally freeze my bananas now because of the simple fact that my favorite fruit to eat now is frozen bananas, because frozen bananas are fire. So if y'all haven't tried it, try it. I don't know what y'all waiting on.
Bananas,
Step 1. You're going to need half of an avocado, and eventually you're going to put it into the blender, but that's going to be for a little bit later. Step 2. Pour coconut milk or your milk of choice into the blender itself. Step 3. You're going to cut up some spinach and eventually add that into the blender as well. Step 4, you're going to unthaw the banana, and then you're going to peel it, and then you're also going to cut it as well, and then you're going to add the cut up pieces into the blender itself. Also, like I said from the beginning, frozen bananas are my favorite fruit. So if you want to eat it, be sure to eat some of the slices. Step 5, you're going to blend with no ice, and I normally blend with no ice because of the simple fact that I want all of the ingredients to be mixed up together. Step 6, you're going to finally get some ice and then add it into the blender itself and blend again. Okay, so here's the smoothie, and I always taste it. Sometimes I'll be having ice chunks up in my stuff, but see, I got ice chunks in it. But I could just keep blending it and keep blending it. But I just wanted to show y'all me drinking it because my smoothies be fire. Fire. So this is what I drink every morning, honestly. But I'm gonna blend it some more real quick. And I needed to add a little bit more milk. Way better. So that's way better. That's the result that it should look like. So for the final results, this is how your smoothie should look. And if you guys did enjoy my mini vlog on me making a smoothie, be sure to subscribe. And in the comments, be sure to let me know if y'all want to see more of my smoothie content. Okay? Bye-bye, y'all.
Yeah, run that shit